E-Waiver for a new lead. So suppose you have a brand new lead who's never come in before into your gym and you want them to fill out an online e-waiver before they come in for their trial class. Very simple and easy. Let's go to your settings and your configuration again. To access your e-waiver, again, we go down to your setup, waivers, terms of service, and URL. This is where we're going to click. So now again, you can copy paste this URL here and you can email it out to your leads, right? Once they receive this link, again, they can fill it out either on their computer, their iPad, their cell phone. If you have an iPad at the front desk, they can just come in and they can do it. Easiest way to save time is to get them to fill it out even before they show up at your gym. So let's say, the new lead received this link and they're going to fill it up. We did the myself first, so let's try for a child. Okay, they want to bring their child in. So let's say the child is, let's say Joseph, and Smith. And we're going to give this child some random date of birth. So let's say 2005, July 11. I'm going to give it a primary phone number. Again, if you need to enter the secondary number, right? And Joseph, let's say, is a male. Again, it would be good for them to fill out, the parent name, their emergency phone number, right? Parent phone number, email address. So this is going to be Joseph's parents' email. So let's say if Joel Smith is Joseph's father, I'm just going to use just going to create some random email here, right? And Joseph was referred by a friend. He does not have any medical concerns. If he does, they can click on yes and the note box will open up. So let's say for no for now. Once they confirm that they're the legal guardian of this child and they check off the release of claims, they can sign, and consent to the electronic signature and submit. Now, as soon as they submit this online e-waiver, even though Joseph was never entered as a lead into your database, into your GigaProfits, you'll see that once we get the message saying that the e-waiver has been submitted, so see, it has successfully been submitted, we can go to our GigaProfits software, go under sales and click on leads. Now, once I'm clicking on my leads, I'm going to switch my landing page leads to all leads. And you see right here, Joseph Smith is showing up as a brand new lead. So even though we did not enter him manually as a new lead, he's been entered into your database. Now clicking on his name, here you see his waiver signed has been transferred over to his lead information page as well. Now I can access his e-waiver anytime by clicking on the down arrow. A PDF copy opens up and I can read the PDF copy. Again, it will be saved in my database, and you see here it's showing that they are the legal guardian, and they have entered all their information, the date the e-waiver was signed. Everything will stay in your database as long as you do not delete this lead. Okay.